Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. How is market going? In this video we'll be talking about the market analysis of Bitcoin, the coin market cap, and also we probably look at the market cap excluding Bitcoin. So let's get started. So this is a chart of Bitcoin currently. Let me go to the daily time frame and let's okay, let me zoom it back, and you can see this chart. You see that this particular area is a very good level, this green zone, and looking at the channel in which Bitcoin has been coming. Sorry that my candlestick is green, apologies for that. And if you look at the channel, and after Bitcoin entered this particular channel, it has been following this particular channel on the larger time frame. This is a daily time frame, and currently this is very close to this particular green zone, which is between 19.5 to an area of 17.6. so let me put a price label on it so that you can see that point clearly. Sorry for the price label. Okay, so that's the point. So, and I've dropped this particular chart analysis on my group, both on Telegram and the WhatsApp group, since I guess in the last month or so. So, and the Bitcoin has still is still following the channel, and there was a time Bitcoin was consolidating this particular area. It was consolidating, it was ranging, and if you look at it, is more like a bear flag, so meaning that there's high probability is going to break down. So in which after it broke, this particular candle ended below, and we have a little test. I was able to place a short. I also I also dropped this in the group when it broke then, and before it broke also. So, and I know that some people took part in that. So this year I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to this particular zone. I'm expecting Bitcoin to enter that particular region, and after getting to the region, if this particular level is unable to hold Bitcoin, and if it will break, which will be a very bad thing for Bitcoin, but I don't expect Bitcoin price to break this zone. I'm expecting this price, this point, this particular zone to hold the price of Bitcoin. If you look at the recent FOMC news about the hike, the spike in the interest rate, and in which actually people are, after the news, people are expecting Bitcoin to actually dump hard, but it's try and still maintain its this area, and even after the news, it pumped up to, because some people might have short the news, it went up to take out the people that short the news and the recent shorters. So, and it still continue its trend. So looking at it, BTC price is actually weak. The price is weak, and you might still see more to downside, maybe to this particular zone I talked about. And but actually, like I said, I don't actually expect the price of Bitcoin to break this particular zone, because if the price of Bitcoin should break this zone, it will be very bad for Bitcoin. You might see the price coming to maybe 15k, 16k region, and the rest, so which is very bad. So that's for that. So let's also check let's check the market cap. Let's check the market cap. Let's check the total market cap. So this is total market cap of including Bitcoin generally. So I'm looking at it. You can see there's I was talking with my friend, a friend of mine, is also an analyst, when the price when the market cap was on this particular zone, and I was saying that it's going to break, because if you look at the touches, look at it, touch it here, went up, came down, it went up, and also came down again, and still went going up again. So it's more like there's liquidity on this zone, and there's high probability that it's going to break it. So which it did, and this was the next point I was expecting it to come to. And this particular point also is a very strong zone for the market, total market cap. And if it should break, you might see the market cap coming to around 700 plus billion, that's 740 billion to 686 billion, which is also very bad. A market cap of close to $3 trillion now trading below $1 trillion. No, that's bad. That's bad. But that's how bear market is actually. So that's the touch of bear market on the body of market cap. So that's just that actually. So but that's what I'm expecting. The price is already here, and we might probably have a spike below this level. We might probably have a spike below it. So but this level is also a good level. But if broken, also you should be expecting maybe around 700 plus billions in market cap. Currently we are around 888.5 billion. So if broken, you might see lower prices. So but this still good level. So let's check the total market cap also, excluding Bitcoin. Let's see how the hot coins are doing. So the total market cap too. Let's see how the hot coins are doing. Like I said, I'm very sorry for making this candlestick green. I'm used to it. Sorry for that. Yeah. Okay, let me just change this candlestick of this one, so you might not really be getting confused. Sorry, where do I change this stuff? Okay. Okay, so now we are here with this, and if you look at this is also on a particular level. Let me pick an horizontal line and check it out. So can you see here there was some consolidation and some bands in this region, so extended to this particular area. This is also a good level actually, a good level which the total market cap is currently in, so and which if broken also you might see the market cap of altcoins coming to this particular area, which is around 316.7 billion. So market cap of around 1.7 trillion, currently now trading below 600 billion, even 500 billion. So that's bad. So but don't forget that we're in a bear market, and those of you that are still thinking we are in a bull run, I guess go and write that off. We are in a bear market currently, and the next bull run will start. Don't let anybody deceive you. Now in the bear market, on the norms in the bear market, we don't have pump. We see Bitcoin can pump back to 48k, can pump back to maybe 54k, but in bear market you can't see Bitcoin breaking its all-time high. So that does it. But anything can happen. Do you understand? That is why everything is probability. So but next bull run, I guess based on the halving, should happen 2024 probably, and the bull run should enter 2025, I guess. So that's for that. I guess you can check the next halving, I guess on coin market cap also. So but what do you call it, on BTC I was seeing oh, the chart is gone. Okay, let me try and check on BTC. I guess yesterday or 2 days, I guess 2 days ago, is it 2 days ago or 1 day ago or so. I was seeing what do you call it, a daily divergence on Bitcoin. So but that really didn't hold for long, so it only pulled the price of Bitcoin to around 22,000 before going short again. So it didn't really hold for long. But assume it was able to hold for long, and I've seen Bitcoin around maybe 30k again, but it didn't low for long. But what I would just say currently, if you're a new baby in the market, if you're a spot trader, try your possible best and hold some coins. I mean spot for the next bull run. That if you're a spot trader and you like holding things, you like holding coins, you can hold Solana, hold BNB, hold Arvax, just hold coin that have a cool system and they have good projects. So, but if you are not a spot trader and you don't like holding, so you can also go ahead with your futures trading by following the flow of the market. You make sure you analyze Bitcoin, then analyze the coin you want to short. Do you understand? If it's Bitcoin you want to short, then go ahead analyze it. And if it is altcoin you want to short, go ahead analyze it and also analyze Bitcoin join. Do you understand? So always don't forget Bitcoin is an important factor in the market. Always analyze it. Do you understand? So if you're a future trader, just trade along with the flow of Bitcoin. Just trade along with the flow of Bitcoin, and you are also good to go. And if you're a spot trader, I guess coins are very cheap now. You can go ahead and start getting them at lower prices. Just continue your dollars cost averaging, and everything will go away. So thank you very much for watching this video up to this moment. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now. And in our playlist we also have a beginner tutorial on the technical analysis. You can also get on that. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. God bless you all and have a wonderful